Experience enhanced network performance with Hirose's LF series Cat6a connectors. Designed to meet the stringent demands of high-speed data environments, these connectors provide both resilience and high functionality. Explore the robust features of the LF series Cat6a connectors. It supports high-speed data transmission, up to 10 gigabits per second under Cat6a standards, ensuring superior network performance. Featuring a Bayonet Lock system for secure and quick connections, crucial for applications in dynamic environments. Rated for IPX7 and IPX8, these connectors can withstand submersion in 2 meters of water for 14 days, ensuring durability in wet conditions. Designed for straightforward assembly, enhancing structural integrity and maintaining consistent signal integrity. And it accommodates cables with outer diameters of 6.5 millimeters and wire sizes from AWG 30 to 26, offering versatility for various installation needs. Ideal for advanced network systems in industrial, telecommunications, and data center applications, the LF series Cat6a connectors provide a dependable solution for ensuring continuous, high-speed data transmission in critical infrastructure. Stay ahead of the curve with the LF series Cat6a connectors. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.